Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the concept of mass wasting. Weathering and mass wasting are very closely related. Weathering leads to erosion. After erosion, mass wasting or mass movement takes place. So, let us learn about the concept of mass wasting. As you can see, the concept of mass wasting was first advocated by Sharp in 1938. According to Bloom, a noted geomorphologist, mass wasting is the process of downslope transport of weathered rock waste or debris. So, mass movement or mass wasting will only happen when weathering has already taken place. So let us see what is rock waste or rock debris. Disintegrated and fragmented rock materials due to mechanism of weathering process are called rock waste or rock debris. Here in the picture you can see rock debris. These are the products of weathering. Factors affecting mass movement. First, gravity. The movement of materials, more specifically the weathered materials, will take place when there is a gravitational force. It is a movement of the weathered products down the gravity. Next, slope. The steep the slope, the more rate of mass movement or mass wasting. Third, the water. Actually, water acts as a lubricating agent for mass wasting or mass movement. Next, vegetation, human activities and types of materials. These also play an important role in shaping the processes and rate of mass movement. Next, we will learn how many types of mass movement processes operate. Broadly speaking, mass movement process can be divided into 4 types: falls, flows, slides and subsides. What is fall? Fall involves the vertical movement. Flow, it is a downward and outward motion. Slide involves a coherent mass, and flow, it involves a moving mass behaving like a viscous fluid. So that is the basic difference between flow and slide. In case of flow, the water content will be more than slide. Apart from fall, flow and slide, there is one more mass movement process, that is the subside or subsidence. In subsidence, the land generally moves down vertically. You can see these mass movement processes on the screen. Here you can see each mass movement process: rockfall, mud flow, landslide and subsidence. These all can create loss to different properties as well as to the human beings. Rockfall sometimes blocks the roads and creates disruption in vehicular flow. Mud flow and subsidence are very dangerous for the residential zones. This is all from my video today. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.